2019 Genesis G70. It's a twin turbo. Guys, the customer came in, already had some downpipes. Let's take a look over here. So the secondary cats are off. The primary cats are still up there. He's planning to get a tune. Again, we didn't touch any of that. He came in with it already, but this is where we did the work, right in the back. Let me show you over here. They're connected right here, completely bolt on, guys. The resonators are still there. In the back, we did a muffler delete. As you can see, the stock mufflers are right on the floor. Very restricting. We're gonna throw those in the muffler graveyard. And we replaced them with these vibrant resonators right there. This system doesn't have any tips. Obviously it has the cutouts. You could always get, you know, a custom bumper, put the tips, but this looks clean. These resonators are gonna reduce that drone and still give it a nice sound. Once this thing is tuned, it's gonna be crazy. It's a quick car, guys. Definitely like somewhat of a sleeper, but still slick. All right, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also check out the links in the description. We have merch and we have franchise opportunities at gexhaust.com to own your own G exhaust. All right, let me know.